Sometimes it's the smallest, weirdest ideas that can completely unlock a new way of looking at our own lives. And today, we're diving into one of those, a really simple thought that might just change how you see one of our most basic human expressions. Okay, so here it is. A smile is the body's lug nut that keeps us rolling along. A lug nut? I know, it sounds a little out there, but trust me, this is where it gets really, really interesting. Yep, you heard that right. A lug nut. It's not exactly the first thing you think of when you imagine a beautiful smile, is it? But what if there's a surprising amount of truth packed into that weird little phrase? Let's unpack it together and see what a smile could possibly have in common with a piece of hardware.
To really get this, we've got to break the term lug nut down into its two pieces. So first up, let's just focus on that first word, the lug.
So what even is a lug? Well, mechanically speaking, its whole job is to be a projection or a handle, something that serves as a gripping or pulling point. It's designed to connect. It's literally what you grab onto. And that's where the first half of our metaphor just clicks into place. A smile acts just like a social lug. It grips people's attention and it pulls them in. I mean, think about it. How hard is it to not smile back when someone gives you a genuine, warm smile? It creates this instant social connection, a real point of contact. Okay, so we've got the lug part down. It's that external grip that connects us to other people. Now let's move on to the second half and see how this all builds. The nut. A lug nut isn't just some random chunk of metal, right? It's a fastener. Its primary job, its whole reason for being, is to securely attach a wheel to a vehicle to keep it from flying off. It's all about security, stability. It literally holds things together under pressure. And this is where it gets really cool. So on one side, you have the lug nut's purpose, to securely fasten. And on the other, a smile's function is to securely boost our own internal health. See, it's not just an external thing. It's an internal fastener for our own well-being. And look, this fastening effect isn't just a nice thought. It's actually backed by science. Smiling triggers real, measurable benefits inside your body. It reduces stress by releasing neuropeptides. It boosts your mood with a hit of dopamine and serotonin. It can act as a natural pain reliever. It can even strengthen your immune system and might help you live longer. It's literally securing our well-being from the inside out. Okay, so let's take a step back. We've looked at the lug as an external social grip and the nut as an internal health fastener. Now, let's put them back together and look at the big picture this whole metaphor is painting for us. And it all brings us to this incredibly powerful idea. Your smile is holding you together. It's not just some polite thing we do. It's a fundamental piece of our own machinery, keeping the wheels from falling off as we roll on through life. So think about it. A smile works on two levels at the exact same time. It's the external social lug that grips and connects you to other people, and it's the internal health nut that fastens your own well-being, keeping you stable and secure on your journey. And that leaves us with one final thought. We just spent all this time breaking down the mechanics of a smile through this, pretty unusual lens. So looking at your own life through this new perspective, what's holding you together?